Can you hear that? Thunder. Oh, I love stormy weather. Just check this out. It's like clear, huge storm, patch of clear, huge storm over there. There's some ponds over here that I want to get to. I don't know if we're going to reach them before the rain starts. I can already feel a few drops. Starting to come down a little bit harder now. I've been in the car because we've been waiting for the rain to stop. We just had torrential downpour. I love the sound of thunder. Ooh, that's that's a big rumble. All right, this is take two. Can't decide if I want to hike up these rocks over here or just go up this way and skirt around. This little peak on the horizon over here, the tallest peak, that's Beartooth Butte, where I usually go do my hiking and seeing the grizzly bears. Any bets on whether we'll make it to the ponds or not before it starts raining again, or something else happens that makes me have to abandon the hike? Elk poop? I think the ponds are just over this ridge. Well, there's no ponds over this ridge, so maybe it's the next ridge. You know, maybe there are no ponds because I just found these on Google Earth. They just look like kind of swampy areas, but I figured they might be ponds early in the year and then turn to swampy areas later in the year. This is a pretty area, especially after this rain. We're pretty much just bushwhacking it, so we could find anything up here, like a dead body. Oh! There's some geese. They scared the crap out of me. Those aren't geese, those are whooping cranes. Can you hear them whooping? Whooping. Forgot that one of our main reasons for doing this hike was to try to see a reflection of Pilot's Peak in these ponds. And I think we're not gonna be able to even see Pilot's Peak because of all these clouds. Wow, lots of elk poop up here. Half expect to run into an elk herd. Wow, it's just everywhere, literally. Oh, slippery. Oh, these rocks are slippery. Oh, I see a pond. I wasn't wrong. I was seriously starting to doubt myself, but there's a pond right over there. I gotta hurry. What time is it? 8:17? Should be lighter than this. The sun goes down at 9 p.m. With these heavy storm clouds, I guess it's looking pretty dark already. My bear spray is in my pocket of my backpack. That's not gonna do me any good. Who thinks this looks epic? Raise your hand. Raise them high. Keep them raised. Thought it'd be cool to try to film me from the other side, but you can't really see me. Maybe you can make out a little yellow beanie cap that's moving. Well, who besides me knows about this place? And now you. Me and you. Just us. It's just us knowing it. Listen to these birds. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Is it hard being the most epic YouTuber on YouTube? Yeah, but somebody's got to do it, you know? 28 minutes out of that battery. 28 minutes of filming, not bad. So I timed it pretty good. Just, we didn't really have a sunset.